Hello, in front of me I have ULEFONE Armor X5 and I'm gonna show you how to enable the Google backup on this device. First, let's open the settings, and to do it, just swipe left on the screen, like that, and then tap on the settings icon. Once in settings, let's scroll down and tap on the system. Here, tap on the backup. Make sure that the backup to Google Drive is turned on. As you can see, in our case it is. Then tap on the account to add the account that we want to use for our backup. Let's tap right here to enter the email address or account name. Then tap next. Now we need to enter the password, so let's do it. And once you're done, tap next. Here tap on I agree. Now scroll down, tap accept, and tap OK. As you can see, the backup is working now. And that's how you enable the Google backup on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.